If you are still copying Zillow leads manually in 2026, you are wasting your time. In the next few minutes, I will show you how to scrape Zillow property leads automatically using Thunderbit and export everything directly into a spreadsheet with just a few clicks. Hey there, it's Sabek here. Welcome to my channel. In this channel, I create video about B2B lead generation, how to scrape leads without any coding. Make sure to subscribe my channel if you don't miss my next video. So guys, let's get started. At first, go to your Google search bar and type Zillow.com. Click enter. Then you can visit this website. Now you click Zillow search bar and type your exact location that your client provide. Let my client give this location. Central no. Guys, if you want to know exactly step by step how to find leads with Zillow platform, you can watch my previous video that I already making step by step how to find leads from Zillow. After watching this video, you can easily understand how to find leads with Zillow platform. That's why I don't show you today step by step. I just show you how we scrape leads with Zillow platform. You can see guys, we find 58 results. Now we scrape all data from here. Now we added a new tab and try Thunderbit Chrome extension. Click enter. Then we click AI Web Scraper Chrome extension. Now we click second link Chrome Web Store Thunderbit AI Web Scraper or better just click. You can just click this button edit Chrome. I already added this Chrome extension to my computer. That's why I don't edit this extension again. After edit this Chrome extension, you can just sign up your account. You can just click this extension icon. Click this icon and in this extension, then you can see this extension show your home page, and then you just reload this page. I already pinned this extension, that's why I don't again reload this page. Now we just click this extension icon. They show you choose a data source, current page, URL or file or image. So we choose current page and just click next. We don't choose this one, we just choose AI auto detect setup page navigation. So click AI auto detect. This extension already working. They scrape, they show you. Now we click next button. Now we click scraper 1 and click AI suggest field. This page has multiple sub page with information, but right now we skip this, cross this. So guys, they show you they scrape property address, property URL, pricing, number of bed, number of bath, square footage, property type, listing agent or company, property image. If you want, you can edit any field whatever you want, but right now I don't need any field. That's why I just click run now. We just wait a few moments and we can easily find our result. So guys, they already find 36 row result because I scrape one page. If I scrape two pages, they scrape others page and easily scrape all listing 58. Right now I only scrape one page. Okay guys, now we see our result. Click open. Can you see guys, we can find our property address, property URL, pricing, number of bed, bath, square footage, property type, listing agent company and property image. We can find 36 row. If you want, you can just copy this data or download this file. Right now I click download. You can download Excel file, CSV file or just one. I choose Excel. So just click. So our file already downloaded. I just click download icon and open it. So can you see guys, we can easily download those lists. But guys, those tools don't provide phone number and email address. I hope you already know how to find email address and phone number because I already show you my Zillow video that I already making my YouTube channel where I already show you how to find owner's email address and phone number and also other personal details. You can find those video link in my description box and easily watch it. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. Make sure to subscribe my channel if you don't miss my next video. Also, if you have any query, don't forget to ask in the comment box. Guys, if you want to connect with me, don't forget to join my email newsletter. If you want to learn more about lead generation, how to scrape leads, how to find clients without any marketplace, then this newsletter is goldmine for you because I try to share my knowledge this newsletter every week of Friday. So guys, see you soon in my next video.